Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing really well. And today's tutorial is about how I do my own eyebrows. Very important part of my life. When I was a kid, like I started doing my eyebrows really like early because I used to have a unibrow and I used to hate it. Um, I was in eighth grade and I started doing my brows. And each and every time I used to go to the salon, they used to ruin my eyebrow shape. I don't understand why do these salon wali aunties they shape it this way? Like, what is this triangle about? Like, I don't get it. Like, maybe it's my growth, but this is how they shape it in India. I just used to get furious. I used to cry out of frustration whenever I used to step out of the salon. And every time after, they would make it thin, and I would just be like, "Auntie, thin ho gaya." They had only one reaction to it. बेटा अच्छा तो लग रहा है कितने अच्छे आईब्रोज है आपके आंटी आपने थिन कर दिया है अभी ये सब आंटी को तो नहीं बोल सकती राइट मैं आई हैव PCOS and once in every 10 days my growth comes out faster than the speed of light. Trust me. Before starting my video, I want to give a shout out to this page called as Embroid. Embroid make this really cute scrunchies and this t-shirt. It's a complete handmade work and I loved it. I've used one more here. And can you imagine this is only for 80 bucks? Like I bought it. Sorry, this is a thread. I bought it. Uh, okay. Anyway, so I'm going to clip my hair behind. So I decided one day that nobody's going to touch my eyebrows. I'm not going to let anybody else do my eyebrows. I'm going to try doing my own eyebrows, and they have worked everywhere. Whenever I've gone for a shoot, whenever I've gone out, people have complimented my eyebrows because they are very natural. Now this is grown a bit. If you can see, so I'm going to show you. You will need few things in your hands. Thread. It can be a simple thread. You don't have to buy the salon thread. Um, this brush, if you have an extra brush, I just had one. Tweezers, very important, and pair of scissors, small pair of scissors. Um, I use all four most of the times. So first, let us shape your brows um, like this, upward direction. I love how it looks. When I do this. Okay, what I like to do is I just remove extras. That's it. I don't want my eyebrows to grow thin. Um, I like to keep them, you know, as natural as I can. So the first thing I like to do is cut extra brows that are growing here. So I have to make a scissor out of this. How do I do this? Take some amount of thread and fold it like this together, and it shouldn't be too long, it shouldn't be too short, so that you get a grip in your fingers, and you have to like fix it here. See, that's how you roll and make scissors. So this technique actually one of my school best friend showed me, so thank you so much. And just practice, practice on your legs, practice on your upper lips. I'm going to show you how it works, okay? Just watch. So I have some hair here. This is how it goes. So you hold your tongue inside like this. Hmm. So that's how it should go. See. Actually remove few hair. Can you see that? I'll try to zoom in as much as I can while I'm editing the video. My growth, most of the growth is here because I had a unibrow. I have another one. I actually made two, three. See this? Okay. You can actually put Pond's powder, talcum powder, any brand talcum powder, because it's wetting a lot. It'll be easier. It'll be less painful rather for me to pull off the hair. Okay. So you start like I have more growth this side. So I'm going to start like this. You will definitely need little bit of practice. I do it once in every 5 days because my growth is fast. And be careful with your lashes. You don't want to hurt them. This definitely requires a little bit of practice. Just remove extra hair. Baby hair is all over my face. Just observe the way I'm using these scissors, both with right hand and with my left hand. And this hair, and this side. It's pretty clean now. Do you see the change? It's quite clear now. Okay, now what to do? You have to take your tweezers and tweeze the extra hair here. Take your scissors and cut off. So you basically have to balance. So you both your eyebrows need not look identical. They just need to look similar. Okay, that's how your natural eyebrows are. Nobody has perfectly identical eyebrows. Oh, by the way, if you really love these products, I am going to, post a link below the video, so you guys can actually go ahead and check out their products. This girl, she makes amazing masks. Like she does embroidery on masks and caps, and she makes these scrunchies. They're amazing. And I'm almost done. I'm not going to, you know, like do it too much. Now, with the hair that's growing here, some extra hair here. So you can actually do your forehead as well. I'm done and I'm actually happy with my eyebrows. Uh, Maybe there are one or two extra hair that I'd like to take out using my tweezers. My left eyebrow is thicker than the right eyebrow, so I don't want to like, make it thinner because I think I like the way it looks for some reason. But you guys can see how my eyebrows look now. I'm really happy with the results, and yes, I love how they've turned out to be, and I'm proud of my achievement. I hope you guys liked my video for the day, and thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and you guys can follow me on Instagram on ambitious.ads. Bye.